Hello, Kevin. Although I've known you for years, almost from the very beginning when you started out on your mission, I've been asked to give a few words on your behalf, and well, a few just won't cut it. You have been a young man on a mission beyond belief, and you started working with the Citizens for Peace, carrying our penny pole all around the state and connecting with youth just about everywhere. And then on into the schools where we went and watched you connect with students of all ages. And finally, the thing that I think I was impressed with the most, I should say the most among most, was your talk on youth suicides and youth suicides by gun in Lansing, which moved me terrifically, although I've never had a close encounter with a person who committed suicide like that. But you hit me heart to heart, and it worked.